talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your PayPal app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it here. When you just click on settings, it's going to show for you a list like this. Then you go down, just keep going down, click here on apps. Then you come to apps list here. So then here you're looking for PayPal app, or just click on search. Then here add PayPal app, it's going to show for you like this, click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list, click here on full stop, then you click on OK. Then you go down, just click on storage, come to storage is here. Just click on clear cache, then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store, click here on Play Store. Then you search here for PayPal app, it's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, click on it, and it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.